we got another package. Alright, let's go check it out. Oh, good doggy. It's kind of a small package. How about we turn this into a show and tell video, eh? You agree? Okay. So we got something a little bit different here today. I've already started to open the tape on it to make it a little bit easier, but let's go ahead and finish slicing this open. This is something from Forward Control Designs. Maybe familiar with their line of products. That's usually parts for other type of items. And recently, I believe the owner, Roger Wang, moved the facilities to whatchamacallit, Texas. So we have some paperwork here. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so first off, the main item. You may be familiar with their logo, Forward Controls. This is a JCW joint castle nut wrench. So I collect tools, and this is a very unique one because the benefits of this, I believe, we'll show you in a bit, are that, oh, there's features. So always follow the instructions. Sorry, we're getting a battery warning. So there's your features right there. The main benefit of this is it gives you different lug point options to reach hard to access castle nuts. And let's see what else. I also ordered a patch, the Speak Softly Duck patch. So I have a small collection of Forward Control Design patches. Some of their other patches actually have the corporate logo, the swooping condor, I believe. And, oh, looks like Roger included something extra. Oh my gosh, thank you, Roger. Very cute. This is the Forward Control Designs rubber duck. Oh, thank you, Roger. Very cute. So, yeah. Thank you very much. So, got the table set a little bit low here, but again, backtracking, we got the Forward Control Design Speak Softly patch. You can finish the rest of the motto, I guess. Roger included the Roger included the Forward Control Designs rubber duck. Very nice texture and coloring. Look at that. Feathers. Very cool. Oh, roll it up. You can guess where it's made, but we won't fault that. Very cool. And we're back to this. So, let's see how we get this into play. Any other instructions here? No? I just happen to have an example of some Forward Control Design parts on it. So, always make sure it's unloaded. This is unloaded because there's nothing on top. So you can see right in here I have two Forward Control Design components. Pardon the buffer that's popping out. Let me remove that so it won't be distracting. Okay, JP captured recoil buffer. So you can see right here we have Forward Control Designs special castle nut, as well as the back receiver plate with multiple QD points. And because of the shape of this, in order to access the tightening points, we would need to use, let me just quickly look here, it would be the two-sided, because I have two accessible points. That hooks on just like that. Very nice tight fit. Made in the USA. This has some heft to it for something that's this short. You can see it's about the size of just actually less than the length of my index finger. So well, yeah, well, no, middle finger. So compared to some of the full wrenches, this is where you attach it to your torque wrench, so it's right at the fulcrum point, as opposed to offset, which would give you a kind of a false reading on some torque wrenches. But you know, you can see that. Torque reminders. Just totally whapped the camera there. Let's see what we got on the other side. Yeah, got torque reminders on both sides. So again, this is products from Forward Control Designs. This is their JCW joint castle nut wrench. Handy tool to have. I collect tools. Speak Softly patch. Thank you again, Roger, for the rubber duck. It's gorgeous. And yeah, this is just a quick show and tell combination unboxing video. We do both types of videos on different playlists. We also do curios for the curious, more artsy objects, so feel free to check out those videos. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.